right, are you ready for another Brain Coach tip? This is Jan Bedell from Brain Sprints. What we're going to talk about today can really help with reading fluency, reading intonation, just the really automation of reading. This will help your children whether they're struggling with reading or not. So what it's called is echo reading. So you're going to, with this technique, you're going to read a selection of a book or a story to the child while they're watching. You might even run your finger across so that they know exactly where you are and they're watching you, because you want them to watch, and then you're reading it to them and then they read the exact same thing. You know, it's very common for people to read part and then the child reads the next part, but as a neurodevelopmentalist, I know the importance of input, and that's what you're doing with echo reading. You read a selection, they read right after you. Now what you're looking for is them making less than about 3 mistakes while you're doing this. So whether you're reading a page and then they read a page and they're not making many errors, or whether you're reading 2 sentences or anything in between, that's the way to find out where you are as far as the volume that you need to be doing. So it's a great way to use this time while you're off, or just as homework even. You read part of it and they read the same thing after you. That can help with their homework because it helps with comprehension, it helps with the intonation of your voice, the fluency, all of that kind of thing. So try that. Echo reading. We're going to have a couple of links below of some things that we have found very successful with this technique, and so check those links out too. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get the updates of these Brain Coach tips.